If you're looking for an efficient way to share travel itineraries with your team, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to use Navan to make the process smooth and streamlined for everyone involved. Whether you're organizing business trips, conferences, or group vacations, knowing how to collaborate on travel plans is essential, and Navan makes it incredibly easy. First, let's talk about why Navan is such a great tool. Not only does it help you book flights, accommodations, and car rentals, but it also allows you to organize and share all your trip details with your team in one centralized platform. Instead of sending a bunch of emails with flight confirmations and hotel details, Navan keeps everything organized in one place. That means no more confusion or lost information. You can also easily add or update itinerary details, so everyone is always on the same page. Here's how you can start sharing travel itineraries with your team using Navan. Once you've created your travel plan, simply select the Share option within the itinerary view. From there, you can choose the team members you'd like to send it to. You have the option to send it as a link or email the details directly. Navan allows you to keep things collaborative by giving your team access to real-time updates. So, if there's a flight delay or last-minute changes to a hotel booking, everyone gets notified instantly. Navan also integrates with tools you probably already use, like Google Calendar, so it's easy to sync your itinerary with your team's schedules. That way, everyone can see when they need to be available without any confusion. And for those who prefer a more visual approach, Navan also offers calendar views to quickly check on the status of the trip, helping to avoid any double booking or scheduling conflicts. The platform also provides a chat feature, which makes communication even easier. You can talk to your team right within the app, making it simple to discuss trip details without switching between different tools. This can be especially useful if there are last-minute changes or updates that need to be discussed as a group. One of the biggest benefits of Navan is the ability to track expenses, so you can ensure that everyone sticks to the budget. As travel details are updated, the platform tracks costs in real time, so you can monitor spending and adjust as needed. And here's the best part. Navan isn't just about sharing itineraries. It's about simplifying your entire travel process. If you haven't used Navan yet, you can get started for free. Just click the first link in the description below for our exclusive bonuses and extended trial. It's a great way to explore the full capabilities of the software without any commitment. To wrap it up, sharing travel itineraries with your team in Navan is quick, simple, and incredibly efficient. With real-time updates, easy syncing, and clear communication tools, it takes all the stress out of trip planning. And don't forget, by using the link below, you can access an extended free trial of Navan to explore all the features and see how it can revolutionize your travel management.